Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from Arty Crafty. Today we will discuss some of the tricky questions with their appropriate answers. So let's start. Here are some examples on questions on human life values. There may be more questions on human life values. I have compiled all the paintings, graphic art and sculptures along with their human life values in a table for you. Please download and print by clicking the link at the description. There may be some questions on identify the appropriate painting, graphic art or sculpture and write about them. These are some of the examples. Whenever this type of question comes in your board exam, please think over it for a while and identify the appropriate artwork and write on them. Please download all the notes by clicking the links and prepare for the final exam. Best of luck. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.